Starting around 15 August 2023. Especially spell really token sort of is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54%. In for the most part most recent 60 minutes, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, spell truly has in every practical sense, complete market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This in a real sense makes in a real sense spell sort of token. Spell kind of positioning at 370 in the digital money market, in an especially large manner. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the spell genuinely token cost forecast finish of 2023. What will truly spell fundamentally token for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023, in a kind of significant manner, is somewhat spell all things considered, token an especially wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking, will generally spell cost all things considered outperform its untouched high, which for the most part is genuinely huge. These most certainly are basically spell really token cost expectations for spell's future. Spell exceptionally token, spell value expectation 2023, as per the spell, especially token conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The spell cost generally is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.0005681, the normal least value worth of especially spell sort of token, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to for the most part be $0.0005495, showing that truly spell certainly token, spell, value forecast 2023, as per the spell token figure cost and specialized investigation, in 2023. The spell cost fundamentally is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $0.0005681, the normal least value worth of in every practical sense, spell kind of token toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to truly be $0.0005495, which especially is very huge. Besides all things considered, spell can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.000598828, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell token, spell, value gauge August 2023. The spell commonly token, spell, cost for August 2023, may truly arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.000452774, while the for the most part greatest gauge cost truly is around $0.0005094 in an essentially enormous manner. The kind of typical cost for explicitly spell especially is for the most part anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach $0.000495519 in August 2023, or so they sort of thought. Spell value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of explicitly spell truly token for the most part is gauged to basically be at around a truly least worth of $0.000491442 in an especially huge manner. The spell token value worth can especially arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.000529114, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. Spell really token, spell, value conjecture October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of basically spell sort of token, sort of is essentially anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $0.000549774 and an especially least of $0.000511558 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell sort of token, spell, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023. Basically spell kind of symbolic cost for the most part is figured to arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.000527449, so really spell truly has a genuinely complete market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The spell cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of $0.00057,096, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.00054,636. In every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell Truly Token. Spell Value Conjecture December 2023. The Spell Commonly Token. Spell Cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a very least worth of $0.00054,935, while the sort of most extreme determined cost essentially is around $0.00059,828 in an especially significant manner. The very normal cost for Truly Spell in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to reach $0.00056,821 in December 2023. Spell Fundamentally Token essentially passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been truly diminished by 0.84% in its for the most part current worth, which for the most part shows that the truly normal cost for by and large Spell Truly is fundamentally anticipated to reach $0.00049,519 in August 2023. Which really is very critical, assuming we basically think about the for the most part current market cap of the spell with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, which certainly is very critical. Spell Truly Token truly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, or so they fundamentally thought. The spell essentially is down to nearly 2.49% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, which is very huge. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly passed by and large couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for essentially, however, we don't explicitly imagine that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, which explicitly shows that assuming that we truly look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, or so they basically thought. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of in every practical sense, spell basically diminished by 42.605%. Dispensing with an incredible essentially normal amount of $0.000333803 from its really current worth, or so they essentially thought. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be an especially decent truly purchase a potential open door for by and large fast speculation, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 38.21%, and the cost truly circled from a truly least truly normal cost of $0.00068,420 to most extreme fundamentally normal cost of $0.00074,480 in the truly beyond 90 days in a quite huge manner. Spell Token in every practical sense is somewhat